Picked up this 1989 Powell Peralta Tony Hawk skateboard on Facebook Marketplace today for 40 bucks. It's in rough shape. Trying to figure out a way to clean it up as a wall hanger. If you guys recall, it's the all black deck with the hawk in the corner here. And the Tony Hawk signature down here. The rest of the deck was completely black. Looks like it's got blue tracker trucks. Got some Powell Peralta G-bones on it. Trying to figure out how to clean it up. Maybe clear coat it so it looks better and makes the graphic pop. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on what you would do with this as a retro wall hanger. Guy said he found it on at Goodwill for $4, so he made good money, and I'm excited to have it.